here today to celebrate National Manufacturing Day. Really want to highlight the crucial role that our manufacturers play in Roanoke County, providing jobs, also partnering with our schools to expose our students to the abundant career options in manufacturing.
This is a great opportunity for students to see what's going on in the manufacturing arena and where they might be able to find a career pathway.
So we've got students from all 5 of our high schools spread out to visit various manufacturers that are located right here in the Roanoke Valley.
I think it's really cool to get different opportunities because I am interested in medical field, but at the same time my options are open, so getting to experience new things and getting to come here and see stuff that you wouldn't regularly get to see, I think is a really cool opportunity.
It's important for us that we catch the workforce that's locally here, you know. But to catch them, not to have to go too far away or exhaust our ability to catch people, we need them to be conscious or to be aware that this line of duty and this possibility is available for them, so they don't need to go somewhere else.
Partnering with the school system and particularly with the manufacturing community for Manufacturing Day has us excited because we are not only in, but we are part of the community, and we offer a wide variety of opportunity for our employees from entry level through significant levels of growth.
There are so many opportunities in terms of careers, and even in a plant like this in Marvin Windows, there's the manufacturing side, there's the HR side, the accounting side, the logistics in terms of delivery. So many jobs are available even in a plant like this, and students have no idea until they come and see it for themselves.
I think the experiences today helped me become opportunity ready because it's putting you in a workplace environment versus school, so you're getting to kind of see what it would be like if you had a job here.
We really want to thank the businesses that are participating in Manufacturing Day across the valley, as well as Virginia Western Community College, Virginia Works, and our Roanoke County Office of Economic Development, and all the partnership that this took to get the students out and into our manufacturing facilities in the valley.
The school partnership is critical to ensuring the success of our manufacturers, exposing students to career opportunities right here in Roanoke County. We're supporting our companies in a variety of ways, but workforce is one of the most critical components. And so being able to partner with our schools, being able to develop that future pipeline is critical.